Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sikha here. Yet again I will share a small DIY on the occasion of Janmashtami. So let's start. Clay idol of Radha and Krishna which I have bought from the market, and now I am coloring with golden acrylic color. It's in the form of dust. I am adding water and coloring it. When it will dry, I'll start the coloring. So here I have started the coloring. Here I have given some ideas on how to decorate Radha and Krishna for the occasion of Janmashtami. You can personalize the idols by giving a touch of your creativity. Krishna has been colored in black color and I have used peach for Radha, and here it follows.